Good day, everybody. Kurt with Cruisin Classics here. Introducing a beautiful, the one you want, 1970 GMC Sierra. This one crosses off a lot on your checklist of trucks that you must have. Very cool looking billet wheels on this beautiful gold GMC. These are power front disc brakes. Nice gold paint. A lot of the checklist. Short bed. Big Block 454 underneath the hood. AC. Tilt wheel. All the good stuff. There's your 454. Chrome valve covers. Chrome breather. Holley Carb. There's your AC. Straight truck. Has a TH350 Automatic transmission. Beautiful interior. Wood grain dash. Tilt wheel. Make sure you hang out the end of the video. I will have stills of the undercarriage, the interior, and also the engine compartment. This is just a cool truck. Sounds awesome. And ready to rock and roll right now. Check out this truck at CruisinClassicsInc.com. Give us a call here. We'll be glad to help out with any questions that you have on this or any others that we have in stock. Please hang out at the end of the video. Check out all those still pictures. Check us out on Facebook and Instagram, and please subscribe to us on YouTube. We sure would appreciate it. Beautiful 1970 GMC Sierra. Short bed, big block, ready to rock and roll. And as always, thank you from all of us at Cruisin Classics.